Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today's session is based on installing the Modelsim simulation software. Modelsim is the standard tool offered by the company called Menta Graphics. Basically, it is a simulation tool for VHDL, Verilog HDL, System Verilog and Mixer languages. We can categorize the use of Modelsim in 4 ways. One is the basic simulation flow that you are seeing now. So the basic simulation flow consists of creating the library, running the RTL code, simulating the same. I'll show you how to download the Modelsim software first. I also give the download link to you in the description box. You can download directly. I have the ultra version. Normal student edition, you just go to Google and type Modelsim download. The first link you can click it out. You can see the Menta Graphics website is coming. So download option is given there. Like all the websites, it will ask for the login and registration. So log in with your email ID. So first register with your email ID. Refresh the page. So it will ask for all the details like name, contact number, company name, company which you are working for. Normally colleges have the license. So if you have any college mail ID also you can log in. Professional mail ID you can given. After filling all the details, a link will be sent to your mail, registered mail. Give the informations properly. As soon as you've given the login informations, you can see the license agreement coming over there. So you also be received with a link in your mail ID. So there are lots of simulation softwares available with Menta Graphics. Antenna softwares, AMS. Modelsim is one of the standard tool. Wherever company you can go, definitely you'll see this software. So it will ask for the login. So create the account with the password. You received a link in the mail. So log in to your mail ID and click the link for activation. I verified. So go back to the same link. Your email is getting verified. So go back to the same link and download the student edition. So almost it will come 350 MB approximately. So it is automatically get it login. So download will be started as soon as download student edition. This PE edition is very flexible and easy to use for initial purposes. So after login it will again ask for the address details. So give accept to the license agreement now. automatically the software will be downloaded. I provide the cracked version of Modelsim Software link in my description box. You can download from there. You can also give some subscriptions to this Metagraphics website so that you will be getting updated with the Modelsim softwares, other Metagraphics tools that will be helpful for you to get latest updates. So these are the softwares available with Metagraphics. So you received one more mail to get the download link. Click that. Automatically Modelsim PE version will be downloaded. This version Modelsim software will work for few months. So it is a cracked version only. So it is a free licensed version. Mostly paid version will be provided by colleges and companies. For learning purpose, you can utilize this version. I'll show you how to install the Modelsim software, which is already I given in the description box, the same link. Modelsim Ultra 6.3 version I just already downloaded and saved in the folder. Modelsim and Quartus 2 is almost same. Modelsim is a highly integratable software. It can be integrated with Xilinx, Vivado, ISC and other tools also. For learning purpose, initially you'll be getting strong with the digital electronics. So you have to work out all the logics in Modelsim initially. If you become strong with Modelsim, then the implementation part using Xilinx will be very easy for you. So already I downloaded the Modelsim software, so I'll just install it now. Just have a look on it how I'm installing. Just give next. So one dialog box will come. So it will ask for the hardware security key. Normally in licensed version, you will be given with a dongle. So that is not available with us. So you just give no and keep the shortcut in the desktop. Give the finish. So that's all. Your Modelsim software will become installation completed. So launch the Modelsim, give no to previous registrations. All VHDL files will be saved as .vhd. So just have a look on software icons, like what are the things available in the IDE. So creating a project, compiling it, doing the verification. It is like first level of verification. So this is how we had to create a project, giving the project name. I'm not going to create, I'll just show you. So this is the default location Modelsim is being installed. Always you have to change the location. So I just have a temporary folder file. Folder is there. I'll give that location, VLSI project. Copy that location and paste it here. Paste it here. So you should not save your files in the C folder. These points are very important if you are a beginner, because Modelsim is already having the VHDL files registered in it. If you do save the files in the C folder again, both will get collapsed. Always the VHDL files will be saved as .vhd as extension. So you can see the project window in the left side, that is we call the workspace window. Apart from that, these are the options available in Modelsim. Just get familiar with the Modelsim window. Just get familiar with the Modelsim window so that you can use it properly. This is the data flow window. It will show a license error. Normally it is a warning only. No need to bother about that. After running the simulation, automatically the data flow window will get open. If it is not getting open, all the options will be available in view. View data flow window, view waveform window, view objects window, view list. Everything will be available in the view. This is how the waveform window looks like. What are the parameters available in waveform window? So this is a cursor. Cursors are mostly used to check the rising edge and falling edge of the clocks and measure the clock periods. These are the options available for compilation. Compile, compile all, simulate. After writing the RTL file, have to give the compile, compile all, simulate. I'll show you in next classes. Other important options available in the simulation window is zoom mode, and if you want to stop and check the particular waveform, you have this option. Zoom out, zoom in, zoom full will give you the full view of the waveform. Zoom full option is always used to view the waveform in full view. Modelsim is very flexible software. Initial stages, Modelsim will be very helpful for you to learn and become familiar. And most of the companies have Modelsim softwares. So the compilation options given separately. These are the report generation options, code coverage available. You can also edit the preference, like how your waveform need to be and how your circuit diagram, logical diagram looks. So you can edit the preferences like changing the color, changing the text color, by changing the background color, values, font, everything you can change as per your wish. So these things will be helpful for you to make the reporting properly, for making the reports, because in research and developments and all, making the reports are very important. So any kind of logical design would be reported properly. You should not use the blue color because blue means tri-state, and red means indeterminate state. Green means a positive signal, which means the live signal. So these are the things available in Modelsim software. So guys, try to install the Modelsim software in the same way, and tomorrow's session will be 25 worthy reasons why we have to go for VLSI design. Our upcoming sessions will be planned with Python course, embedded design, MATLAB and machine learning. So guys, share with your friends and subscribe. Thank you.